Hey, welcome back to Doc's Booth. What we're going to do today is show you how to remove the rear view mirror from inside the car. We're going to separate the windshield from the mirror, or actually, we're going to separate the mirror from the windshield. No matter how you look at it, the two are going to be apart. All right? This technique works for all S197 models. There's a band right here, and that is actually the spring that keeps the mirror attached to the bracket mounted to the windshield. And that's what you need to overcome. So there's no set screws to look for. I spent about 30 minutes looking for a set screw. All I found was that little button looking thing and no way to put a screwdriver or an Allen wrench on that monster. So it took me a while to figure this out. So what I did is referred to the old 2007 Mustang Volume 1 manual to figure out just how to take that mirror off. When the mirror is attached to the windshield, you've got to stick a tool in that hole right there. And it's kind of tricky. And they do make a special tool for it, but I like to use an Allen wrench. And you stick that in there. And when you stick it in there, you'll be pushing against the bracket and not the glass. So don't worry about it. And pull towards you with the tool and pull gently on the mirror, and the mirror will peel right off. Now it's kind of hard for me to show you how that peeling action works when the thing is actually suspended in the air, but we're going to get inside the car right now and show you how that really looks. All right, I got to take this mirror off. So we're going to use an Allen wrench as a pry tool. So we put the tool in there and then pry on it slightly. We should peel it right off the window. So there you have it. Well, I guess just like anything else that we do, whenever you do any repairs or anything on the car, you always got to go for a test drive. But instead of test driving to make sure we know how to peel that mirror off the windshield, why don't we just do a GT500 Burnout? That sound like a good idea? Well, let's go do that. Pretty damn good.
It looked good on this one, that's for sure.
Now, you can go ahead and subscribe to Doc's Boots if you haven't already done that, because if you don't, you're going to be missing an awful lot of burnouts in the future. So get out there and have some fun, stay safe, always buckle up, right?
Yeah.
You bet. And like I said, leave some comments down below about installs, burnouts, anything passionate about cars, any kind of cars whatsoever. Let's get a conversation going. Hey, and check me out on Doc's Boost Facebook page and docsboost.com. Thanks for watching.